Hey crafty cuties, welcome back to Paper Terrace. These are piles of journals that I am making, and I have two available for pre-order. They're going to be Bohemian themed soft cover journals. I'm just showing you some of the items that I have pre-made to decorate the pages with. They're going to be decorated, lots of trims and pretty embellished pages. So I have an orange cover available. As you see here, it's not completely finished, obviously, and the pages are not in it. And I have this really cute green. I'm going to open this up and show you that it will have pockets inside. Not exactly this size right here, but you kind of get the idea. And lots of pretty scrapbook papers, coffee dyed papers, just the normal mix of pages that I always use. I have the pink and purple are already called for. They're already taken. So if you're interested in one of these available journals, the orange or the green, then you can email me down below. They're first come, first serve, and they will be shipped out at the end of the week. Thank you. Bye, guys.